Hello friends, today I am going to be unboxing and assembling this outdoor party tent here. Here we go. Get my instructions out. Outdoor party tent manual. Okay, we got those. Step 1, lay out all the cross beams and T-junctions. Okay, ease, F. All right, this looks fairly simple. Nicely labeled. Okay, so these are just gonna snap in just like this into here. There's that. Just gonna back this off a bit. Okay. 1, 2. I'll just take all these and drop them off by the other ones like we did before. Instructions here, maybe pour them out on this bag so they don't go anywhere. Okay. So that goes through there. Put this on there. And we put our washer on over that. And then we got the nut. And just tighten that down. Okay. So we're gonna have to flip this over. Okay, and they gave us one extra washer, which is cool, just in case we lose one, which we've been pretty careful so far. Okay, I don't think I need to get these super tight or anything. There's that. Put this back in my little baggie. Okay, and now that is accomplished, go on to the next step here. Step 5, of course, is we're just basically gonna pick this up and slide these in there. So I'm gonna assemble these poles, or put these poles by the corner pieces here. Okay, so here we go. This should be fun. Just gonna pick this up. And we're gonna put this up underneath there. Let's turn that around. All right, and gently slide that in. There we go. Got another one here. And we're just going to hold that a little bit. And of course, we pushed in too far. I think that these can go down and into one of these holes here on the side. That's gonna hold our top on there. So it's got these little hooks on here. I'm just gonna pull that down, nice and snug, put them in there. So that's gonna keep our top from blowing away there. Next step is step 5. Okay, step 6 is slide the post T-junctions, fix the 2-piece walls, canopy onto the cross beam. On the outside here. There we go, that goes on the outside, just like that. Okay. Those wrap around. So just remember, we have all our things at the top. So I'll just put these on like bracelets. Might be easier there. And loop all these on there. All right, here we go. So these are just gonna go through and around the metal here. Just gonna push this loop through there. It's gonna go through this eyelet. It's gonna go through the eyelet in the roof here. And it's gonna wrap around that. Just like that. Okay, so we got one there. And we're just gonna go down the line here. This is the Velcro, just going around the pole here. Just like this, around the pole. Put that Velcro around there. And once again, there we go. That's gonna keep that nice and stabilized. And then what I'm doing with these is I'm just feeding this part right through the eyelet there. That's going up through there, coming out this eyelet here, and then just wrapping around the ball right there. Okay, and we're just doing another one here. Going to go up here and just make sure that your Velcro is on towards the inside here. So I'm going to take this over here and we're just going to attach this on this side. And we're going to be wrapping this around like the other one, except that's just wrapping it around and holding it in place there. So wrap it around there. And just like that. Okay. Here we go. Push that through. It's tight in the corner here. Just wrap it through there and then good to go on that. Okay. All right, so now we bring this down and we got this Velcro here. So the Velcro is going to hold pretty good, I think. We just need to get it in there between there, so that might be a little difficult. Well, this is really tight on the side here. I'm just gonna try to rotate this over though and pull a little taut. So pulling that taut. Then we have this. Lift that up a little bit. And I think that this is just gonna go right on there. So I'm just gonna try to line up our Velcro as best I can and then just push it on there actually. So here we go. Okay. There we are. Try to get that Velcro up underneath there. Nice and flush on there if I can. There we go. Okay, working that Velcro all the way down here. Put it up underneath there. And just doing my best to make sure we got full contact on all the Velcro, like all the way down. That's gonna be nice, snug there. Okay, not too bad there. And we're just gonna work our way around the top now. Okay. So this should be able to slide up pretty close to the top here. Push this through. We're gonna just go around. It's a little snug there at the top, but you can get it through. Coming along real nice there. Okay, now we got these pegs. We're gonna basically just attach them to the base of our poles here and pound those into the ground here. So nice and stable. Ground is super soft. So I'm just kind of pushing these in. We got 2 holes on the bottom of each one of these. And I'm just gonna go ahead, push these into the ground there at a kind of an angle. Okay, friends, now I'm gonna secure, you got this rope here, and we're just going to secure that up here. Just extra tie downs so this thing doesn't blow away. Push our rope up through there. All right. Yeah. Try to get that nice and locked in there with a slip knot. Should be okay. And then we can just get that down on the ground there. Okay. Seems pretty solid. And we'll just go over to the other side there. And now we have these straps here as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this strap over the top here. And we're gonna fasten that on the ground. So basically I'm just gonna throw this over here. Just like that. Okay. Go ahead and put that in the ground there. Okay, I'm just gonna go over to the other side and pull that strap down nice and tight. and fasten that into the ground. All right, got one stake down there. And then same thing with this one. You do these pretty close to the tent, actually. So this one here, I'm just gonna stake it down right here next to the tent. Yeah, okay. And then we're just gonna chuck this over the top. Just like this. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. I think we're good. Take my tent peg, go around to the other side there. Oh my goodness, there we go. You want a little carport or, you know, a tent to just have fun inside, you know, outdoor type thing with people. Pretty cool here, my friends. Let's go check out the outside. Actually, we can just zip up the zipper. I can show you guys that real quick. So we got the zippers here. Zip that up. Gives us a nice entrance here to our tent. Of course, that back part can be opened up as well if you wanted it. And here we are on the outside. Really nice and cozy. I like it a lot. Quite large. If you were going to have a little gathering, you could put tables in here and chairs, and it would be really just an excellent little outdoor experience, free from bugs and whatnot. You could put a big long table in here with chairs, all kinds of stuff in here. So really nice. It's quite sturdy as well. So we're gonna do a shot at nighttime and show you guys that too, how it looks with the lights, and we'll be right back. Hey friends, here we are. It's dark out, as you can see, and I've placed little lights that it came with on the inside here. So I think it looks really cool. A nice little area to hang out at nighttime or whatever. Put it on the beach or in a park or anything like that. So have this outside zip down. And here we are at nighttime, as you can see. It does have this little light. I put it in the pocket out here. It's a little, should be motion activated there. A little light there on the front. So I think I have to adjust. There's a couple different modes it has. So that lights up pretty bright on this outside as well here, but looks really cool. It was a little bit windy today, but it held really nice. Nothing blew away or anything like that. So it's a very sturdy tent. Looks really nice. It works great. Thanks so much for watching, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.